Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Colon Cleanse 3-ingredient juice to effectively flush out pounds of toxins from your body. Hi friends, today I will share with you a quick and easy recipe you all can make at home that will cleanse your colon. Stay tuned and watch till the end. A number of health experts agree that most chronic diseases start in the gut. While it's true that digestive problems are often linked to the stomach and intestines, a small part of the GI tract also plays a major role in proper body function, the colon. Whereas the intestines absorb nutrients from semi-digested foods and prevents the reabsorption of bad bacteria and toxins, the colon has the task of removing liquid and salt from this waste. It is believed that eating a poor diet and being constantly dehydrated can cause food waste to stick to the walls of the colon and slowly poison your body. As you age, your chances of developing polyps, inflammation, and cancerous and non-cancerous tumors in your colon increases. These complications may be linked to this stuck-on goop. How to cleanse your colon? The home remedy I recommend here is extremely beneficial for eliminating all stuck-on waste from your colon. It's also important to keep yourself hydrated throughout the treatment. Consult a doctor before colon cleansing in case you are pregnant, suffer from gastrointestinal pain, or a disease. Ingredients: half cup 100% pure organic apple juice, 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon fresh ginger juice, half teaspoon Himalayan salt, half cup of warm purified water. Instructions: fill a small saucepan with the filtered water and warm up over low heat as to not boil it. It should be warm but not too hot, as you will need to drink it quite quickly. Let it cool if necessary. Pour the water into your glass and add salt, stirring well to dissolve it. Add the apple, ginger and lemon juice and then stir it again and enjoy. Drink 3 times a day before each meal for up to a week. Active ingredients: lemons provide a range of antibacterial and antioxidant substances that protect against colon tissue damage. Plus, lemons are great for alkalizing the body and cleansing the liver. Ginger is rich in cancer-fighting compounds that prevent the spread of cancerous cells, thus protecting against colon cancer. In addition, ginger fights inflammation and boosts digestion. Apple juice has more than 14 phytochemicals that inhibit colon cancer growth and neutralize free radical damage. Apple juice is rich in vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, potassium and magnesium. Himalayan salt is full of trace minerals that boost nerve function, ease inflammation and eliminate pain. Plus, it improves muscle contraction to eliminate waste. After finishing the 1-week treatment, to keep your colon healthy, try to drink this colon cleanse juice once every week. Make sure to also drink plenty of water, eat lots of fresh fruits and vegetables rich in fiber, and exercise regularly. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.